Cut this on a 45, and then I measure from my short point to the edge of the tile, which is 8 7/8. I'll put 8 7/8 here. Right there, cool.
About to do?
We're about to mix up some grout. Add a little bit of water.
You need wild water?
Just a little bit of water, about this much.
What are those tools?
This is a float.
Float?
Yes.
Okay.
Both of them are called floats.
So that's all you need?
That's all you need. Bucket, floats, bag of grout, and mixing drill.
Open up the grout.
Open up the grout. We're using DeLorean gray.
So the grout difference is between what kind of design you want to go to?
Yeah, you have different colors, of course, and depending on what kind of tile you have and what you're looking for.
So there's a light and a dark type of grout, right?
Yeah, there's all different colors of grout.
Well, there's even different colors.
Same as coloring, color crowns. Done in order to make sure that you're doing the threshold, so you don't walk backwards like him.
So all you gotta do is just take correct measures and
lay it out, and then you just stick it within set.
make sure that each tile goes to the correct place.
Yeah, and the proper distance apart to match the rest of the shower.
What do you mean proper distance?
See the gaps?
Yeah.
You want to make sure those are the same too, so it looks good.
Okay.
Alright, so let me show you what to look for when you put that up. You see on the level, it's draining towards the shower, so that would be level. And so it has a little fall going towards the shower.
Is that a grout?
You do it like how I showed you, Kevin? Yeah, there you go. Because he's shooting it, so you want to look like a professional. Okay? So you gotta explain to him what you're doing. Filling in the grout joints.
Yeah, filling in the gaps.
So you can just go over
So
the
it's
gaps
easy.
and
Yeah.
But how do you clean it up after
With the sponge
Sponge and water.
and the water. It's real simple.
It's hard to put it on, but it's easy to get it
You
off.
could even do it with the camera. Which way you want to do it? That way?
We're gonna start.
Yeah. You want on some?
So there's really not any special thing about it. You just
No, just push all the grout into the joints.
make sure it's all even and on the place. And you have to clean up all the excessive grout
Oh, yeah.
on top.
You wipe it off after it gets a little haze on it. In other words, after it dries a little bit. You don't want to wait too long.
What if
And you don't want to do a big section at a time. You want to do a small section and then wipe it.
clean it and then do small sections?
Yep.
Don't get too ambitious.
Yeah. You don't want to do a whole wall. And then by the time you get back over here where you started, it's already dried.
And you can't get it off.
Well, you can, but you're going to work yourself to death doing it.
What is a grout made of? You know?
Sand and dye.
Sand and dye.
That's what, yeah. Dye is the color that they put in it.
How about on the floor if you get it?
It's okay. You want to wipe the clump, wipe it up, or just put, because we're going to use the same color grout on the floor. So just
Oh, okay. So just use the same.
So you use sponge and use circular motions like Mr. Miyagi taught you. Round and round, wax on, wax off.
Make sure it's clean.
And work it in. And you're smoothing out your grout joints as well.
Are you going rough with it or just a slight like?
You can go rough with it, kind of. Just working it in.
How long you usually wait after you put it down?
What do you do after again?
After you after grouting.
No, you don't have to wait for what though? You don't wait. You don't have to wait.
Any common mistakes you've seen people do?
Yeah. Digging out the grout joints. Taking the mud out of the grout joints, not good.
What do you mean taking the mud out of grout joints?
Like, if it's like dug out like that.
No, so don't do that.
No.
Don't touch it.
That's why you use the sponge, go round and round, flat hand. Like this. When you wipe the towel off, you do like this, flat handed, flip the sponge over, and do it again. And then rinse the sponge out completely, and you repeat that same process. Flat handed.
And that's the water that you use.
Yes, this is clean water, or it was. grout out the corners so it's not real thick. Because you don't, it looks ugly then.